Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to the website of your search engine. I will use yep.com for this example. And now you have to use this search engine to search something. And now you have to click here. Now go to settings and find search engine option. And now in recently visited you should have yep.com. And now if I go back, you can see that my search engine is set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.